Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Xbox wireless headset. Maybe you're having a pairing issue or a sound issue, and just doing a simple reset will fix it. So the first thing we want to do is roll up our microphone right here, and then tuck that to the side. Now flip it over, and then locate the mute button, and then the power button. And what we want to do is make sure the headset is turned on, and then hold both these buttons down. And then hold these down until the red light starts to blink, so I can see it blinking. Now I'm going to let go, and I'm going to take a USB and plug it into the headset for a power source, just like this, and the light is still blinking. And if you're successful, the headset should restart. Now I can unplug this from the wall outlet, and I can hold down this button right here to place it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. I can see it's trying to connect to a new device. Then you can go to the Xbox and press the sync button too, and then the two should be paired and synced together. So it's still blinking. It should connect here in a few seconds. And my headset is now connected, and it's a solid white light. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.